Hello everybody and welcome to the Great Northern Bushcraft Conference 2018. Right, let's start by saying what a picturesque setting this is, surrounded by hills in a valley, so no doubt there's going to be wind noise. Got here on Thursday night, sorry just bend down, got here on Thursday night, quite late on, so I didn't start the filming as it was starting to get dark and I needed to set up camp. Yesterday, Friday, was absolutely awful. Pissed it down all day basically, and we had very high winds, so no chance I was getting the camera out in that. But today, it's blowing over. We have some periodic blue skies, but it's a little bit overcast at the moment. Fluffy white clouds, not grey clouds, which is brilliant. I'm just walking up towards the camp now. So here's a little series that we've travelled here with. Obviously next door we have the trailer. Fortunately, the awning didn't arrive. So I've put this little single one off the Land Rover on the trailer for now. But we've got some other plans now. It's always good coming to these things. But, let's just flip the camera down. Show you around the kitchen. And this is our communal area of the campsite. Just do a quick 360 of all our vehicles. This is all us, all our little group. Which obviously is the Bug Out Vehicles UK and the Bug Out North Wales group. We're all together, all as one, in our campsite. So yeah, just cracking on. Everybody's chilling, having a bit of food. A little series, and just in case you didn't guess it, we're just sat inside the trailer. Let's change this a little bit, and it wouldn't be WA UK unless we did a roll-in change modification. Basically I had my interior lights running off a separate battery, and I've given it to one of the guys that we're here camping with. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wire these interior lights just here to the main power source, which is going into the box that you've already watched a video of. And yeah, you know, so basically I had two batteries in it, mainly because I wasn't sure whether the solar would control everything and I didn't want to be without power and without lights in here. But now I know the solar is more than efficient at doing what it does. I'm going to wire the whole system into it and do away with the spare battery, and obviously at a later date we'll upgrade the battery, the main battery into a leisure battery. Alright guys, I'm very tired, so I apologise if I'm stuttering and a little bit away with the fairies. Long nights drinking and yeah, early morning starts for breakfast. So yeah, I'm just going to crack on, find a way to route these wires, get them all wired in, and yeah, I'll bring you back when I've done the roll-in alteration, upgrade I think is the word. So here we are a little while later, having fettled the lights into submission, and I don't know if you can see that because it's a little bit bright in here already, but we have lights and we have all the power. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer there. We have power on the switches and power on the other cigarette lighter plug, the 12 volt output. We've just been out flying the drone actually, a bit windy, but we managed to get control, and hopefully I'll work that into the footage somewhere along the lines. Bushwires, not a good idea.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. You're alive. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. You're
So guys, no doubt you just saw the footage of the food I just ate. Couldn't manage a full one. Tried my best, but no way, I was beaten. Now I'm laid on my bed in a bit of a meat coma. Can't eat another thing. Kids, fingers in your ears. Fat bastard to eat two. Much respect to you. No chance I could do two on this occasion. The most I've ever done is 1.5. So those of you who did two, bloody hell, good job. Anyway guys, I'm just going to relax for a bit, chill out on the bed, and yeah, hopefully do a bit more filming either later tonight or tomorrow. We are meant to be having a few thunderstorms tomorrow, so I'm not sure if the camera's going to come out too much. No doubts I can do a few things like this just in the comfort of the trailer. Again, it's just done admirably this weekend. Those solar panels just go from strength to strength and just impress me. I've wired in the interior lights as you saw before. And yeah, I've just unplugged my fridge for the evening. It's starting to cool down a little bit now, so I won't need it plugged in overnight. Anyway guys, I'll fetch you back in later, and if not, I will see you tomorrow. I just wanted to throw out a few thank yous. Thank you to Bug Out Vehicles UK for letting us share their spot. Much appreciated, so Rich, thank you. And the rest of the lads who come from that side of our company, thank you very much. The Bug Out Vehicles, the Bug Out North Wales crew, who are the group I'm part of. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you for turning out, thank you for making it a memorable event. And thank you to Lenny and Drew who organise Edale. I mean, without those two, none of this is possible. It's a brilliant meet. I met so many of you guys who watch the videos. You've obviously come over, shook my hand, tell me you watch me. It's lovely to see you and lovely to have your feedback. I'm going to try, if this wind settles down later on, to give you a bit of feedback on the trailer, because obviously this was 4 nights, 5 days for me, and the reason I wanted to come out and try it was exactly that, to try it. I wanted to see if I could sustain comfortably for 5 days and be able to comfortably survive. And yes, I can. It's brilliant. We've had a bit of rain. Took the rain. It was lovely in the rain. We've had a bit of wind, which taught me a few things. And we've had sunshine, and it's made me realise that it can go through all the climate. I mean, the only thing we haven't had is frost. But we did that at the beginning of the year, so we know it can take that too. So yeah, it's worked really well. There are going to be a few changes to the trailer. Now, if the wind dies down outside, I will describe them, because somebody put on one of my videos, what would you do different, what would you change? Now I've got not a list of things. There's not a lot, to be fair, but there are a few things that I'm going to be changing. More or less imminently, and there's a few things that I'm going to change next year. But as I say, I'll either do a barn video and talk about that, or I'll try and do it while I'm here. I wanted to show you some of the kit as well, but as I say, it's windy outside, so you're going to get nothing but wind noise on my camera because it hasn't got one of those fluffy external microphones. Anyway guys, I'm going to sign off now, I think, and if I can work some stuff in, I'll put it before this. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've shown you enough of Edale that you can sort of respect and appreciate it. If not, obviously Bug Out North Wales will have made a video, and so will Bug Out Vehicles UK, so you can always go to their channels, which are in my liked channels, and have a look at their videos. So thank you very much once more, and hopefully I will see you soon. Take care, everybody.